Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gas-powered post drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NineToing 4-stroke 38cc gas-powered heavy-duty T-post driver gasoline push-pile Pro set. Equipped with multiple features, this one allows you to use it according to your requirements. The gas-powered post driver has heavy-duty construction and is available in a complete set. This includes convenient gloves so that you can use it safely. Furthermore, it lets you have easy portability due to the lightweight construction. Moreover, it lets you have easy operation and comes with detailed instructions. This is also quick to operate and allows you to save time. Additionally, it features a 2-stroke motor so that there will be an outstanding performance. It includes other items including a wrench, eye mask, and a toolkit. Moving on at number 4, we have the XtremepowerUS 38cc gas-powered T-post driver fence post driver gasoline piling 4-stroke EPA certificated with rolling case. Available in an easy-to-use design, this one comes with an ergonomic T-grip handle. The gas-powered post driver includes an integrated throttle so that there will be control from different directions. Additionally, this has a dynamic operation, and you can easily use it for different purposes including garden, geophysical exploration, and agriculture. Moreover, it is available in lightweight construction so that you can take it anywhere you want. This has the ability to tackle heavy-duty job applications and comes with a recoil pull start method. Furthermore, it also comes with an anti-vibration dampening system that reduces fatigue. At number 3, we have the Offix portable lightweight 2-cycle gas-powered T-post driver. Composed of high-quality materials, the gas-powered post driver comes with internal dampening technology for reducing vibrations. It helps reduce fatigue so that there will be no irritation. Additionally, this requires minimal assembling and is available in lightweight construction. It lets you use it conveniently and comfortably and comes with 2 pulling heads. Furthermore, this has easy maintenance and has a maximum torque of 1.45 Nm. The product has a fuel capacity of 30 ounces and can drive a post within seconds. Moreover, this is a highly reliable product and comes with EPA approval. At number 2, we have the Tinsay 35cc gas-powered T-post driver gasoline engine 2-stroke fence post driver jackhammer push-pile driver 1700 to 2230 BPM. Are you looking for a gas-powered post driver that lets you have easy mobility? This is available in lightweight construction, and it features a lower displacement engine. Additionally, this comes with better ergonomics and reduces hand vibration. With this, there can also be better control, and you can use it comfortably. Furthermore, it has shovel digging of 360 degrees and can regulate different types of impacts. Moreover, it offers you a better advantage and features a rubber sponge handle. It has wide applications and comes with a hand pull starter system. And finally at number 1, we have the Aprilhp gas-powered T-post driver fence post driver gasoline piling 2-stroke. A real labor-saving device 50 to 70-100 mm. Suitable for a wide range of applications, this can be perfect for highway fence, construction, garden, and agriculture. It also includes a convenient toolbox so that there can be easy portability and storage. Additionally, the gas-powered post driver comes with a single cylinder, and it has 2-stroke for reliable performance. Moreover, this also comes with air cooling and ensures that it will be hassle-free operation. It is ideal for heavy-duty applications and lets you have easy control. With this, you can save your time and effort, and it has the lowest displacement. Furthermore, this includes other tools and has a maximum power of 1900 watts. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.